Today we present to you the new ECONO Pantera 140 electric bike, a robust and versatile e-bike for demanding adventures, delivering top performance and reliability for riders with high expectations. The ECONO Pantera 140 is equipped with a powerful central motor, the Bafang M510, offering 95 Nm of torque, X-Fusion front air suspension with 140mm of travel, built to handle mountain trails, and X-Fusion rear shocks absorb shocks and vibrations to maintain optimal traction and ensure a smooth ride on rough terrain. TRP hydraulic brakes provide reliable and efficient stopping power, while the Shimano 11-speed drivetrain enables smooth shifting to adapt to any terrain. A perfect choice for riders seeking an e-bike that combines rugged performance with practical features. Whether tackling mountain trails or exploring new adventures, it delivers the power, durability, and versatility you need. With 29-inch rims and wide tyres, the bike is ready for the daily challenges. You can also choose between 3 sizes: medium, large, and extra large. For long and reliable rides, the ECONO battery is available in 3 capacities: 520, 700, and 800 watt-hour. All batteries are interchangeable. For more information about the model, visit our website at econo.eu, stop by our store, or contact our extensive network of partners.